Hello guys, today continue our lesson, which is lesson 20, which is about MACD. So what is MACD? MACD is an indicator in TradingView. Okay, so MACD is the indicator. The full word is moving average convergence divergence. So this indicator is very important for trader to trade daily, to trade daily, hour, or minutes, future, both in future and spot. So, so how to use this? So to add this MACD, you go to the top here. See. So we use tradingview.com. Okay, click on indicator here and type the word here. Search the word MACD. Click on it. Close. Okay, so this is the result. So we do not change anything, just click open it and you observe how to use this indicator. Well, so this is histogram, the red one histogram. Red one is going down, the blue one, the above one is going up. This just make you not wonder. Okay, so important is you look at on the line here. The line, let me check to not sure you understand it. Okay, the line yellow is a, sorry, where is this? The line yellow is not yellow, orange. The orange is signal and the blue is MACD. So here we have two lines here, two line. And if that line, if the yellow line is below the blue line, it means it's going up. Otherwise, if the orange line is above the blue line, our chart pattern will going down like this one. See. So I take BNB pair USDT to do a demo. So you see here, orange above the blue line, so the graph is going down here. See, going down. So MACD is confirmed first, and then EMA is confirmed later here. See, MA 50, EMA 20. So I already do a video in previous lessons. You can check up in playlist. And now it's confirmed going up now. So here confirm going up. So but MA EMA not confirmed going up. Why I say confirm going up? Because pump up, because orange line is under the blue line here. That's how you can use MACD. Orange under blue, see, it's pump up, and this confirm later. Yeah, this confirm first. This is confirmed first, and then this confirm second. MA 50 below EMA 20 is going up. Okay, and here this confirm the same time. It orange above the blue, it's going down. This is MA 50 above EMA 20 is going down. And also here orange under the blue, it's going up here. You see, it confirm the same time. That's how you can use this, and I will load for you. If signal orange Okay, pump, and let me copy this one. Is what orange line if wait, signal orange line is under above, I'm sorry, above MACD, blue line is down. Okay, so here if the signal orange line is under MACD, MACD is the blue line. See, MACD is the blue line. See, MACD is the blue line, and orange is the signal. Signal is the orange, MACD is the blue line. If the orange line is under the blue line, it's up. Otherwise, if the orange line is above the blue line, it's down. Yes, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. I will show you more about other indicators. Bye bye.